Hey eBay friends, it's Suzanne A. Wells, and I've got a fun video for you this time. I wanted to share with you something that came up from a viewer and a member of my Facebook group after she saw one of my supersized sales videos, and just show you what happens when you pay attention and take action. You can make money with stuff that you didn't even realize has value. So Yesenia sent me this message that says, I saw one of your over $100 sales videos. I had 4 of the Bounce dryer bars in my pantry from my extreme couponing days. I just never used them. And Yesenia had either messaged me or posted on the group that she found these and she wasn't sure, like, would they be too old? Would they be out of date? And I'm like, just list them and see what happens. So she made her listings on Monday, the 23rd of November, and sold 2 for almost $108 3 days later. And she kind of remembers that she may have had some manufacturer's coupons years ago to get these for free. And she was like, yeah, it was 7 years ago. The buyer has 0 feedback, so I hope there are no future issues. So, bottom line is that she sold these items. And because she took that information from that video and put it into action. So here's her listing if you want to go check it out. And you can see that she has sold some and she's got one more left. So then she got even more industrious and started digging through the house for more new old stock. That's what NOS means. And she found a few things: 3 bottles of baby lotion and 3 tubes of flyaway hair touch up. There are a few comps. And then she's asking if I've had any issues with new old stock and health and beauty products. So she's going to, try to sell these items. So this is the flyaway hair touch up. It looks like mascara, but it's a hair product. And these are selling for, this was $112.95 for a lot of 4 of these. So, over $20 a piece for this little tube of stuff. And then this Johnson's Baby Lotion Moisturizer, 1 bottle is selling for $34.99. And she just had these things in her house. And she got busy and looked for them and got them listed. So I just wanted to put this out there and congratulate her on doing this perfectly. And I think I'll make this a new series, like this treasure hunt thing, where you guys can send in your stories about information you saw either on these videos or in the Facebook group, or where you put something into action, found the item and sold it. And that way everybody watching can see the follow-up, that this really does happen. So let's go over what the lessons are here. And what I really wanted to share with you is watch and pay attention to the Money Making Mondays and Supersize Sales videos. I've made this super easy for you by putting all this stuff into playlists. So if you're new to the channel, or if you kind of came in the middle of all this and you haven't gone back through the older ones, you really should do that, because this information can still be useful to you. So I've got the link up there in the corner of the video and below, where you can go to the playlist, and they are arranged in descending order by date. So the most recent one's always going to be at the top. So if you want to listen to the whole playlist, it's going to play from most current to least current. Still good information even if they're old videos. So according to the YouTube playlist analyzer, the Money Making Mondays playlist has 16 hours and 49 minutes of video, and that is as of today, November 30th, 2018. So lots of stuff there to listen to. Then you've got the supersize sales videos, which I just started doing those this year. So trying to do one of those each month, so that will also accumulate and you can see where the big sales are. So same thing, arranged in descending order from most current to least current. And the time on that playlist as of today is 5 hours and 30 minutes and 4 seconds. So you've got over 20 hours of information that you can listen to and watch. And this will help you immensely, I promise, because you're seeing what's actually selling. This is not a haul video. These are actual sales. Or go to my Facebook group and actually read through these posts religiously. Do it every week. Commit some time to doing this so you can learn what's selling. And I mean, this is just a colossal amount of educational information because we have been doing the Money Making Mondays now for, I think, close to 5 years. So every single Monday, we've got this thread with over 200 posts going back 5 years. So that is just so much information to help you with your business. The third thing here is remember what items are shown and see if you already have them in your house, like in your death pile that's not listed, or maybe you've got some of that in your laundry room or in your basement or in your grown kids closet and they're gone and you can go in there and look for it. See what you already have that you can list and get it listed. But the bottom line is you've got to take action and get these things listed because failure is usually due to lack of action in this business I'm talking about. I talk to so many people and they have good intentions and they want to do it and they know they can be successful. It's just they don't take action and they don't do it. So the success comes with taking the action, doing the action, listing the item. Okay. Now, if all of this seems overwhelming, or you don't have time to go listen to 30 hours of video and go through thousands of posts on a Facebook group, I have made it easy with cheat sheets and printouts to help you learn, and most importantly, to help you remember, so that when you're outsourcing and thrifting and garage sailing and estate sailing and at flea markets and the grocery store and wherever, you'll have a mental picture of this stuff to buy for resale. So in my premium content library, which is where a lot of my energy is going now, is getting this thing built. So it's going to be already is this huge, massive amount of information for you to access. I've got a list of discontinued items. It's a chart with pictures, so you can just pull that out and study it. I've got one for women's clothing brands. And these are going to be constantly updated, new things added as I learn about them or as they hit the market, so that it's always updated. You're not going to get old information. And then my newest one is the coffee mugs course, and I've got pictures there. So like this is a sample of what that chart looks like. You've got pictures of the mug, the logo on the bottom, best case scenario on your sale price estimation, a realistic sale price, and then notes and details helping you understand what to pick for resale, because this is all about helping you become a better picker and a more successful seller. Also, I'm your personal help desk in the premium library. So I'm the one answering the emails. When you email in with questions, you get me. And I've actually made the decision not to do phone consulting anymore because I'm putting all of my energy into taking care of everybody in the premium content library, getting your questions answered, and making content that's going to help you with your business, help you sell more items, help you understand what to sell. So that's where my energy is directed now. So I'm scaling back on some of these other things that take up my time and my energy and my focus. So this thing's going to be huge. And we've already got over 30 hours of video, and there's 96 videos right now. So come on over, check it out. You can download the table of contents for free and just see what's in there. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll put the link below the video. But bottom line is pay attention to what you're hearing. Look for the stuff in your own house because you never know if you're going to find it there, and get it listed. So Would love to hear any input from you in the comments if you have found any of these things that have been shown in the Money Making Mondays or $100 sales videos and successfully sold them. And I'll do a video like this about your item. Thanks for watching and have a profitable and productive day on eBay. Bye.